Success is born from the moments you refuse to quit. Keep pushing, even when it hurts.
Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's moving forward despite it. Step up and claim your life.
Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now.
Hard work doesn't guarantee success, but without it, failure is certain. Keep moving, no matter how tough it gets.
We often look for closure in others when the real peace is found within ourselves. Your potential is limitless. Don't let fear silence your ambition. This is your moment to step up and claim your success. You have to realize that the only thing stopping you is yourself. Embrace the challenge and move forward with purpose.
जिंदगी एक मौका है, इसे मत गवाओ। अपनी पूरी ताकत से आगे बढ़ो और अपने सपनों को सच कर दिखाओ।